Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Pics settings on email notification settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, and now click notifications, now click here, and here we'll find Pics settings. Here you can manage it, and that's how to find Pics settings on email notifications settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.